Hello friends, I am Praveen Kumar Dhankar. Do like, share and subscribe my channel for latest videos. So welcome to the series Mathematical Analysis for especially CSIR NET, GATE, IIT JAM, GATE Engineering, etc. So we are here, we are continue with the linear analysis, and then today is the question number 2, which is based on again a rank of the matrix, and this is a question which comes in GATE 2018. We have a matrix of 3 cross 3, so you have option 1, 2, 3, 4. So let assume the given matrix, let A equal to -4, 1, -1, -1, -1, -1, 7, -3 and 1. So let apply row echelon form, that is on R1 into multiply by -1/4. So a matrix turn into 1 minus 1/4, 1/4, -1, -1, -1, 7, -3 and 1. Now again apply R3. Apply on R3, that is R3 minus 7 times of R1, R4, R2 plus R1. Apply on R2. So the matrix turn into 1 minus 1/4, 1/4, 0, minus 5/4, minus 3/4, 0, minus 5/4, minus 3/4. Then again apply R3, that is R3 minus R2. Then your matrix turn into 1 minus 1/4, 1/4, 0, minus 5/4, minus 3/4, 0, 0, 0. Then your R3, that is third row, turn into 0th row, become 0 row. So we have that, we find that this rank of the matrix is number of non-zero rows of A, and here we get that number of non-zero rows is 2. So rank of the matrix is 2. So your option number B is very correct. So thank you very much for liking and sharing my videos. So thank you very much.